Hello and welcome everybody, BBBY stop today. Let's see that step by step, okay? If we wanted to go for the BBBY actual explanation here, is going to be referring for us that the part is going to have such thing that is going to be very different for every stock. So, okay, maybe we can go for these lines, three slope lines. However, the number of slope lines that is not going to be very important and very serious. That is depending on how the actual matter is. So whenever we see the BBBY is going to be explained in the next slide is, so it's going to be on 1 week update. Okay, this is going to be referring for us this increase in momentum, and that side that's going to be back up for the decrease, or the thing that's going to be related for the increase also. However, the BBBY is still good for a lot of people for to be invested on 1 week update. Okay, so let's see whether this BBBY is going to be good or not. Okay, let's see. It will be good next time for a lot of people because it's going to be for the investment, great investment. Could you benefit from what we have explained on the price prediction that had been produced by technical analysis on this video? And good luck with another episode on 1 week update here.